Can you tell me your name, please?
Yeah, my name is Muhibullah.
And where are you from?
I am from Myanmar, Mongdo Township.
And how long have you been in the camps?
Yeah, I arrived in this place more than 6 months.
Can you tell me about the landslide and the floods?
As you see, there is so many hills without the trees. So during the heavy rain, it will be landslide. If top of the place, one house and one of the line is the slide, the remaining house will be all side up to the dawn. Yeah, today just 15-minute rain, not too much. So many water overcome to the house. The people cannot live in the house because of the water is coming over. So if heavy rain, we don't know how happen, it will be very dangerous. We would like to request the international community and also Bangladesh government to do something advancedly about to protect the landslide and flooded, because of we are living the hills, living the hillside. This is not strong enough the camp, not strong enough the house. So please protect and advancedly do something about us. For example, to be strong enough the house and to resettle the people, some people, also to send some food as a dry food, also to prepare for some medicine for the crisis time.